Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Techno Kenya. So today we are going to look at how to convert a PDF to Word document. So let's say we have a PDF. This is the PDF we created in our earlier video. So we want to convert this PDF into a Word document. So if you are running or you are using Microsoft Word 2016, it has no issues. So you can also try with 2013, 2010. So you just click the file. This is a file, this document in PDF. So you click the file, then you right click on the file, then you open with Word document. So open with Word 2016, Microsoft Word 2016. So this document in PDF will be converted converting this document in PDF. So this is now your document. You can see this document PDF. So now you can save the document as document in PDF .docx. So now it will be a Word document. So if I go back to my folders, see now I have this document in PDF .docx. So that's how you convert our PDF to a Word document using Microsoft Word. The other option would be to use an online website. So I'll be doing a video on that. If you like the video or learn something new, feel free to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.